Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Jay's Creative Space. Today I'm just going to be decorating this really cute Christmas sled from Dollar Tree. Before I get into the video, I gotta take a moment to welcome you back. Hey, and if you're new, welcome. If you are new, what we do here is crafts, DIYs, and hauls. So with that said, let's get on to this Christmas craft. I wish I would have actually sanded it down, because right here it looks like it's pretty rough and it needs to be sanded down, but I didn't think it needed it, so I didn't, and now I regret it. So just a warning, if you get these paint pieces from Dollar Tree, you may want to sand them down first. Now I'm going to be gluing these wooden tree like little wooden stickers from Dollar Tree onto the sled after I've got it all nice and painted. When I have to hot glue something onto like a project I'm making, that's why I always like to lay it out before, so that you know exactly where you need to glue it at. So you'll know where to space it and where to put everything at. So next I'm going to make a bow out of this ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree. I am not crazy about this ribbon. I don't know if you can see, but it's really thin and it doesn't actually feel like ribbon, but it does have a look that I want, so I'm going to go ahead and use it, this red buffalo check. I always over exaggerate my tails because I just figure, I'd rather them be longer than shorter. If they're longer, I can always cut them. But if they're shorter, it's kind of like nothing you can do. See how cute? I use just about anything to make my bows with. I used to make hair bows a while ago, and I will use, like, as you can see, I have thread here. I'll use a thicker upholstery thread. I use elastic thread. I'll use, you can use a pipe cleaner to make your bow, just anything. To make the center of my bow, I'm just going to cut a little piece of this ribbon and tie a knot in it to make my bow center. This ribbon, y'all, I just would not recommend this Dollar Tree ribbon. It's not that great. I'm actually worried that I shouldn't be using my fabric shears to cut it, because that's how, like, I don't know what it's made out of, but it's just not like regular grosgrain grain ribbon or satin ribbon. I don't know what it is. If you can see, I just tied a knot, and I'm just going to take that knot, and there you go. So easy peasy. Okay, so I switched up the bow. I did a different bow. So I'm going to just glue this bow. I'm just gonna glue it where I think it looks the prettiest. I think right here. Next, I'm going to glue this little red truck jewel that I got from Hobby Lobby in the center of my bow. That's why I left the bow. That's why I left the bow exposed, because I'm going to glue this in the middle. So I want to be sure that it stays on. Now I'm just going to clean up all my little glue boogers. I don't know. You know, the little blue strings that are left behind. I'm just going to make sure I get those up. But here's what it looks like with the truck in the middle. So now I need to find, I don't know where I put the string that was on the top of it, because this is pretty much done. So let me go find that string so I can get it completed. So I found the string that came with it, or the little twine, and I didn't change it because I just feel like this goes really well with the style of the ornament. So what I'm going to do now is heat seal the ends of the ribbon so it won't fray. And you just take your lighter. Whoa. You just take your lighter and just gently go across. There you go, just like that. It's to seal your ribbon so your ribbon won't fray. Because like I said, this is going to be a gift for somebody, and I just don't want them to get it and then it start to unravel. So this is my finished Christmas ornament. This is what I did with the little sleds from Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed watching. I really appreciate you, especially if you made it to the end. And with that said, I will see y'all next time. Bye.